I finally made it to here.
Yeah. Prime parking, and it does not.
You remember me?
How are you today?
Good. I really love Express. Jumping from like 60 foot down.
Okay.
No problem. And you can test it out, take a picture in the water.
Really?
I think this one, right?
Welcome back. How are we doing? Please identify yourself instructed to exit by
Another restaurant?
They have Pokemon?
Yeah, here. We can see which one we want later on.
Oh yeah.